Apo.
Hakana, Lana, Rahu, and Yasu.
Yes.
Yung kanaib,
Amani.
Amani. So, ito yung scale model ng condominium. Satori Residences. Ito yung mga neighborhoods, right? So, that is Eastwood.
Apo.
Yan, Eastwood yan. And Marikina River, yung kanyang bridge, is that so? Yan, isang yan, yung parang arch.
Bridgetown.
Ah, yan yung Bridgetown. So, Bridgetown, Ayala, and ano yan, condo rin yan, yung parang low-rise. Ito, this one.
Yeah, Mireya Residences, DMCA.
Ah, DMCA din yan. Pero ano na siya?
Old project.
Old projects. So, Eastwood. Saan yung SM Marikina?
Nakabila po.
Ah, nasa other side.
Antipolo Mountain.
Antipolo Mountain.
Marcos Highway.
So, nasa 16th floor kami. Roof deck. Dito sa Turin. Sa Turi. And ito siya. Ikot-ikot lang. And ito naman yung mountain view sa Antipolo. The other side. So, yung kabila, may kita yung Eastwood. And this one naman is Marcos Highway. And also yung train station. LRT2. So, yung pinakamalapit na LRT station is somewhere... Anonas.
Sorry, it's Santolan Station.
That one, right?
Santolan
That's
Station.
the Santolan station. Marikina, yan, Ayala Malls, and the SM Marikina. Ayun. So, siya yung pinakamalapit na mga malls dito.
Santa Lucia Mall.
Santa Lucia Mall.
Ayala Pili, Santa Lucia Mall, saka SM Marikina.
Opo. Sir, gaano siya kalayo sa, let's say, Marikina? Ilang kilometers away siya to Marikina? Itong, ano na to, condo.
Siguro siya mga 3 to 5 kilometers away.
3 to 5 kilometers.
Siya po. Kasi this is Marcos Highway na.
Yeah. And ito yung depot, right? Yung,
Yung,
paradahan ng mga
train.
trains.
LRT2.
LRT2. And the street.